Hi, my name is Janelle McClarty and I'm the owner of EncoreWebsites.com, and today I'm going to be doing a quick video on what is web hosting. I get that question a lot. A lot of clients, they know what a domain is. It's that little www.whateveryourbusinessis.com, but they never understand what hosting is and why it's important. So I'm going to tell you what is hosting. So hosting provides storage space and access for your website. That's basically what it is. It's storage space and it provides access for your website on the web. So without hosting, people cannot type in your domain and access your website. And without hosting, the files and the pictures and the content can't be stored anywhere. It's just there. There's no storage and there's no space for it. So I'm going to give you a brief little analogy of how I explain hosting to some of my clients. So think of your domain and your entire website as a house. So you built it, you named it. This house is called Janelle Manor, or it's called yourbusiness.com, and it's built. You put in all the walls, you put in all the pictures, all that stuff, it's built. But this house is just a house, it's just there. It's floating in thin air. It's not placed anywhere. So in order to build a house on land, like you need the land, right? So consider the land hosting. So in places like Canada, in order to have land and to use that land, you have to pay for it. You have to pay property taxes, like every year. Same thing with hosting. You have to pay to use the space every either month or yearly, or you can pay for it by the 5 years, but you're paying on a consistent basis to use that space to place your website on or your house on. So if you think of it like that, I'm pretty sure you can get the idea of what's hosting and why it's important. It's like one of those invisible things. You don't see it, but you need it, right? So I hope that answers your question. That's the best analogy I can give you of what is hosting and why it's important to you. So without it, nobody can see your site and there's nowhere to store any of your content or any of your pictures or any of your words, okay? Yeah, so that's it. That was a short little video. It was brief and hopefully explains it once again. So make sure I'm going to be doing these videos every week. Make sure you follow me on my social medias. On Instagram, it's Janelle McClarty, and Encore Websites on Instagram. And on YouTube, it is Encore Websites. I post a lot of Ask Encore, so ask me questions and web design related videos, and I do tutorials as well. So follow those and you'll get a lot more knowledge on web design and WordPress and things like that. Alright, so thanks for watching again, and yeah, see you in the next video.